4th of July. Happy Independence Day. While I was at work today, Paul got to join everybody from the Sonora Club, and they went on the typical 4th of July parade that we've been doing since 2020 when COVID struck. And we just showed Newsom that I don't care what's going on, we're gonna put on a parade since he had stopped everything. And they had a blast today again. I had to work, but I got to shed a lot of love on my patients, and that always makes me happy. But afterwards, I joined Paul. He got anime ready, our 1929 four-door, and he took her down over to where the car nerds are, as Paul likes to call it. And he had a lot of fun and just kind of showed everybody anime because nobody's seen her for a little while.
Want to go look at it? Well, actually, we got here early.
Hey kid, don't be sitting on that car.
After I got off work, I was really tired. I still am. Paul was nice enough to make me a nice dinner, just get me relaxed, and that really helped. So, first thing in the morning, I'm very excited to announce this, that we are finally going to dig into Roadie here, take them all apart. So we're going to be putting in the new synchronized transmission, doing the U-joints. We are going to put a new clutch since we're in there. We are going to, what else are we doing? We're going to put in a new steering box. We're going to go from 7-tooth to 2-tooth, which is going to be amazing, so I won't have so much squirreliness and so much give in the steering. And that also means that I will get to finally put on my brand new steering wheel that I did a long while back ago, and I had a video on it like this right here, and that showed how I did it, because this one has gotten so cracked up, and I think eventually at some point it will end up breaking. That'll improve so many things, but we got a lot to do. In the morning we will be taking Roadie all apart, and I'm super excited, so I will be bringing that video to you very soon to show you how we're making progress on it. Until then, God bless you guys, God bless America, and I love you guys so much, and even for you there out there, way out in the world and across the country, we love you too, and we wish you the very best. Earlier we got to watch the fireworks. We live on top of a hill, so we get to see them all over the place, all over the valley. We've got to look, and they're really tiny, but you can just see the flashing of the lights everywhere. So enjoy the fireworks. See you soon.